Replacing the ABS backleft sensor on a Ford Fusion 2011 SE. We can start by opening up the rear passenger door, the side the sensor is located. Pull up on the seat cushion and use your other hand to pull back the tab, holding the seat lock in place. Prop it. Locate the bolt that holds down a cover panel we'll need to remove in order to access the ABS sensor connector. Let's double check our new sensor with the old one. Pry the panel to lift it up. Locate the sensor. You can feel in the back behind the sensor where the wire goes out of the wheel well through a little rubber boot. Remove the connector by pushing down on the clip. They're both the same. Good to go. Now let's jack her up. Ensure the brake handle is up and the tire is chalked off. Now let's remove the tire. These are locations of the different mounting points the ABS sensor is mounted to. The wheel wall panel has multiple plastic clips we'll have to remove. And a bottom piece held in by a bolt. This is our plastic clip removing tool. Pry down to remove any plastic clip. Pull the plastic clips out. Here is the bolt location. Remove that. Those plastic clip locations we need to remove. Now pull back the plastic panel. Now remove the old sensor. We're going to put the new sensor in by fishing it up through the original hole and push the boot back into place. Clips can be replaced, just unbolt the old ones. Bolt the new ones in place. Now just do everything you just did in reverse, and you're done.